Hey, this is Justin from the Blessing Boys, and we have a very special transformation for you today. This amazing family just moved here to Texas, and when they got to their property, since it's been sitting for some time, the barn and other areas have become severely overgrown. Now, this wouldn't be a huge issue, but the animals that are coming from North Carolina are going to arrive any day now, and they need a space to get out of the sun. That space happens to be the red barn seen here, and is completely surrounded by brush and, dare I say, yes, a few aggressive wasp nests. Unfortunately, we find those today by surprise. Oh yeah, and for those of you who have been watching us for a while now, you might recognize the man who owns the farm in this video. It's Mitch, and he's helped us in multiple yards in the past. He even brought out his John Deere tractor in the big mess of a yard, if you remember, a while back you see here. So we are super glad to pitch in and help them get this farm back into shape. It's a huge property, so our main focus for the day will be the back of the house, also the raised garden bed area, and of course the big red barn. Also, Judah has a pretty funny surprise in the end. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with insects and dance moves. You won't want to miss this one. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and as always, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now let's get right into this yard. What's up, man?
What's up, brother?
How's it going?
It's going good. How are y'all doing?
Good. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too, brother.
All right, guys. Well, welcome to Texas.
Yeah, we're excited to be here. Ready to get stuff squared away so we can just relax.
Yeah. Well, we're excited. We're excited to help you guys out in any way we can and get you all settled, get this place cleaned up, show us around. Let's see what you got. We can walk around this way. It's fine. What's the acreage again?
It's a little over 6.
6. Okay.
Acres, yep. The previous owners use it as farmland.
Mm-hmm.
They have honeybees and
cool.
orchards and that kind of stuff out back. But it's just been sitting for 3 months. With no touch to it.
Wow.
So you will see here.
Oh, hello.
Fun begins back here.
This is the excitement.
And the head gardens there that they just let grow.
Gotcha.
These are raised box bed gardens, but you can't see it.
And then out here at the barn, they let these trees grow through the fence.
Mm-hmm.
You know, since we got the horses, that will be the only way to come in and out of the barn. So
Okay.
we can get those trees cleaned out.
Yep.
If they're there at the gate, you can't even see the.
Oh yeah. Yep.
So we want them to be able to get in there and access that.
Gotcha. Yeah, we can focus on obviously the areas of main concern.
We get this section mowed down so they can
Get the barn cleaned up.
Just in this runway right here.
Okay.
Until we get everything settled over there.
So this runway is the main thing in the barn.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then around the barn.
The barn.
And then we can worry about the honeybees are down there underneath that shed.
Get too close to them because you can aggravate them.
Okay. Yeah, so we definitely don't want to roll up with a weed eater.
No. Of course, they have a bee suit inside you can put on if you
Yeah, we do have a bee suit.
There's the bees.
Okay.
You can kind of see them.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, you can see them. Sounds good. All right. Well, we'll get started. It got you good, didn't it? Let me see.
It did.
Oh. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Just one spot?
Yeah, it's just one bite. One sting. All right, we're all done.
It's been a day.
What do you think? Ty, welcome to the party.
Yeah, Ty.
Tell everybody why you weren't here working today.
I'm sick. I got the flu.
Got the flu. I don't know if that's a good excuse. Tell them no. Well, here, hold something. Huh?
You were helping out.
Yeah.
I was the blessing boy, the blessing gal
Yes.
kitchen cleaner.
Yeah.
This is Blessing Mom. Some of you have seen her in previous videos. Some of you have not. She's been working hard
They
today.
call her the BBB, the Blessing Boy Birther.
Birther.
That's good.
That's good. That is good.
That was quick.
That's all.
But yeah, so we've had a full day. I think we took a big chunk out of it.
Yes.
We did.
So it's looking good. We're super excited to have you guys here and finally. And yeah,
Welcome to Texas.
Yeah.
welcome to Texas.
Let's
Thank
do
y'all so
this.
much.
Yes.
What a welcome. We had an adventurous day. We had wasp stings. We had a mower breakdown. Mitch
Truck
fixed it.
breakdown.
My truck broke down. Mitch fixed it. So he's,
Mitch, we need Mitch in our
No,
lives.
I just, yeah.
He's like, I'll help you with
I'll just try what I can try.
yeah, that's right.
that. Hope it works.
I mean, 5 minutes of work for what all y'all done today, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. No, we're glad to do it. It's beautiful out here, and we're excited to welcome you guys into your new home. So
Thank y'all so much.
cool.
This is family.
All right.
Bye,
Thank you guys
guys.
for watching.
Love
We'll see you in the
y'all.
next video.
Thank you.
Bye.